People with the spirit of learning, thank you very much for coming back to my YouTube channel and happy Sunday. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you about something important for the user interface and user experience design. So this is really recommended for any developers. So the main topic for today is about empty states. Empty states is used to for the user's condition based on the user's feedback. So means that if there is no data that we could show it to the user, then we have to figure out how do we tell the user if there is no data. Or another case is about the internet problem. So if the user is not connected with the internet, then we have to tell the user if the user's phone is not connected with the internet. With the empty states, we could easily to tell the user about what is going on and how do they fix the problem. Okay, recently I have been designing for 6 empty states that you could use it for free for your own project, even for the commercial project. So make sure you have to download those assets in the video's description, and I'm gonna show you how do we use it in the design, the real application for the Android application. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, let's get started. People with the spirit of learning. So in this case, I was using Sketch. It's because Sketch is able and provide me a lot of function and tools for creating the illustration, and this is all of them based on the Sketch. Okay, but I already provide for you the PNGs, so you can easily to use them for the project, like this one, empty state and PNG. Okay, like this. And I have the example for the iPhone X XS, this one. So this is the example of the empty states, like this is for the uh, condition when the user hasn't much money to running their own plan. Okay, and this is another problem like no internet. This is really funny because people are choosing internet instead of the water. And this is another thing like safety first, so they have to setting up the pin number or anything. And this is the condition whenever the user has an income and they have to request the payment to the client. Yeah, so I figured out a 6 different steps that you could use it for your own project. So in this case, I'm going to implement on this section, right? So because we want to implement to the Android, so I have to provide another artboard for the Android. So I just press A button, and then I have to change into the Android device with the smallest one. And now I could easily just change this background color to this one, the blue one, and I wanna implement this one, the funniest one. I just want to copy all of them, the button itself, and then another menu. Okay, yeah, over here. And then I think the design is not really fit, so I think I have to remove this open setting and make this to become smaller, like this. And then for this one I could just go with a 28, and this one I could go with the smallest one, maybe 14, 16. Yeah, cool. And this is the button reconnect. Okay, just like this. And since we have the full illustration here, I have to make like the box for the wrapper. So this one, I wanna put this illustration inside of this box. So this is IC internet. Okay, and in the box I have to mask it, just masking. And I could easily just put anywhere, like this. Okay, and in the box I'm going to remove the fill color. Okay, so I got like this, and the problem is the shadow has been cropped, so I have to make it top like this. Okay, it's nice, right? So we got the picture, we got the button, and this one text. Seems like earphone is not connected uh, to the internet. Yeah, just like this. And we could just open our Android Studio project. So over here I have to export these assets, but for you, if you don't have the sketch, you just need to download those assets that I already provide in the video's description. Okay, so that's the assets for the font type also included. Okay, and then I think for this button I am not able to make it by myself, so I have to group it as a background button recon. Okay, and then make exportable and then export. Okay, because of that shadow. All right, if there is no shadow, I'm still able to make it by a drawable. Okay, so as for now, just leave it now, and we have to copy these assets to the Android Studio, to the drawable over here, and we have to okay, and then we have to copy this font type to the Android Studio project, which is empty stats, and then app and src main, and over here we have to provide assets that we call fonts. Okay, and in the Java you have to register like this. This is to import font. Okay, cool. So this is our current design. There's nothing more about that. Just the hello world. So we have to go to colors first to change this color primary dark with our sketch a background over here. I'm going to copy the hex code for you. So this one we could replace, and then you'll see that there's a change, right? And the background we have to change again here like this. Okay, and in the styles we're gonna remove this action bar because we don't really need it, so I just want to remove them, and there's no more action bar. So in the hello world I'm going to replace this sentence with the no internet. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to move here. Okay, so currently we got two text view for the title and then for the subtitle page, right? So in the design we got this picture just for illustration to tell the user that we have to choose internet instead of the water. No, I'm kidding. So we have to provide the image view over here. So this is for the image view, and we have to move this no internet under of this image view. Okay, and I think it's little bit bigger, so we have to decrease the text size of this text view, which is no internet. I could go with a 28. Okay, like this, and then it's already in the center. Okay, amazing. And another text view, this one, so we could move below of this section. Okay, and for the text size I can go with 18. All right, so I have to give the margin right and then margin left, and just like this. Okay, amazing. Okay, no internet. Yeah, and then we have to put a button over here, so we have to create a button below of this text view. So this is for the button. Don't forget to give the ID because we're gonna customize this font style in the Java later on. Okay, and this is for the button that we use, the background button, this one. Okay, alright, amazing. Now the thing that we just need to do right now is customize the font style in the Java over here. Okay, so first of all you have to register the variable like text view, title page, and then subtitle page. Okay, and then we got button with the button recon. Okay, do not forget to import the class. So this is if the condition whenever there's no internet, and I think that this one is supposed to be Vidaloka, but I forgot to change the name here. This is Vidaloka, and I think there's something wrong with the Vidaloka. Let me check the ID. This is a subtitle, and then this is the title page. Okay, in the sets there's Vidaloka, and then we supposed to give the Vidaloka this one and this one. So I forgot to change this one to the subtitle page. Okay, so we're gonna run again into the emulator. So this is the end result of our project today. So if you wanna try to another section, like maybe ask for friends, and then we're sorry, and then money, and then this is for the no income, yeah, just try whatever you need, and I already provide in the video's description, so you better download it and yeah, use it for your own project. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Okay everyone, with the speed of me, I hope that was amazing for you, and please let me know if you do have a question or if you have a project, and then you can hire me and we can work together. Okay people, with the speed of me, I'll see you in the next video, so goodbye.